Question number 43. The vertices of a quadrilateral EFGH are E -7, 3, -4, 6, 5, -3, and H 2, -6. What kind of quadrilateral is EFGH? We do have a trapezoid, a square, rectangle that is not a square, rhombus that is not a square. So the best way to look at this or to determine this answer is to draw these points and then connect them and then see what kind of quadrilateral it actually looks like. So I'm going to insert here a grid that would help us plot these points. So the first point is, I'm going to go ahead and then do the E for a second. E in this case is going to be, say, E is -7, 3, so -7, 3 would be right here. So this is my first point. I'm going to call it E. And then the second one is F -4, 6, so -4, 6 would be up here. And then this is going to be F. And then the next one is going to be G, which is 5, -3. X is 5 right here, and then -3 is right down here. And then we got F. And then the last one is going to be H, which is 2, -6. 2, -6 is going to be right here. Now based on this one, we can connect all of this and then create quadrilateral. I'm going to connect these two. Then we're also going to connect that one, and then I'm going to let off this one and then connect these two. So it looks like it definitely is not a square, right? So we have to make sure that square is out, okay? And sure doesn't look like a trapezoid because the trapezoid looks like this one, and the square is this one, where you have all the sides are the same and the 90 degree. Now this leaves me with two choices, which are the first one is a rectangle that is not a square. That definitely seems like a rectangle. We just have to prove that this is 90 degree, and then in order to do that we can find the slope of this line, which is going to be 3, 3. So this is 1. The slope of this one is 1, and then the same thing with this one, 3 down, 3 over, -1. So if you multiply these two, we get -1. So they are definitely perpendicular. That means this is 90. So we know this is a rectangle, and then C is correct. Rhombus, that is not a square. Well, as you can see from the shape, they are wide spread out, so it cannot be a rhombus either. So based on this, the correct answer would be C. And we don't necessarily have to go through all those steps once we draw them, because we can easily tell it's not a trapezoid, it's not a rhombus, and it's not a square. So that leaves me with one more choice.